Ebiani, the Kramucha. Okuma Radio 97.1.
I am a 10 years of sorrow. It's a woman. Hey!
Okuma Radio, Ebiani, the Kramucha.
Come on, you son of a man. I said, me sorry. Hey! When you're
Okuma Radio. Okumaini, Ebiani, the Kramucha.
My God, Okuni Tamwa, Yabasawa, Yabasawa, Sawakuni Tamwa, Ayabasawa, Yabasawa, Wakuni Biedwa, Mami, Yababawa, Jesus, I was ready. Sawakuni Tamwa, Ayanda Rabasa, Talabakaba, Ayanda Rabagana, my God, Sawakuni Tamwa. Fight the good fight. So we are there fair. Fight before you get it. My goodness. So we're going to we're going to tell my Baba. Hey, so we're going to tell Mommy, I'm a Missy David, the Kokode, Sanamia, man, and the man who was it. Mammy, what's so
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio
97.1. God is about to process her. I already been processed and the Potomanas. Wow, I need that one. Some is so good. Zakaria Mumamia. Someone in a moment. Zagira Mami Kuni. Samina
97.1.
My goodness. Messi already messi seven open change. Ja, coffee was one ya come on the asem. Zakaria Mumamia. Tuga mina mama. Zagira Mami Basina mia Zakaria Mumamia. Ayanda la mosanda la bakandi antada. Zagira
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Jumadian very packed. Super yashi papa. Ura yeah, John Peter, the historian. Ever shasiye. Na Abraham Yanamwaba. Nafi Yabubogu Koyanim. And you baby obucho wuti okuma bia. Say a call of first million and a quapuchi neighbor. Erico. Archangel, or no, a friend of Archangel Erico. Hey, whoa! I saw for any D. If I live for God, and if I die for God. Maybe I make a just a better no one. Yes, a minimum answer, see a quenya. I can't send me junk for the BS. Who bet you young was ratchet, but experience the obwa. We live for God. We don't live for ourselves. You're just in my home. At the Presbyterian, you must say, oh, one man friendly. Oh, one man friendly. No, you also has a sneeze. And then you better show crack a crab enough. You call you right, John Peter Hall. Now, or dear Famka cry. You did what you better home. And penny for crossing. Ukromohine. Now, Ben will fear, begrassi, and ye jow. My son, me catch them crofobia said. According to 1 Chronicles chapter 17. 1 Chronicles chapter 17. Okay, in Yaba, Bible say, Ora David, and now just obey see a sword them and Yangopon. Catches them once. With him, David, a consort too, would you for be a friend in Nathan? Nathan catch a David, say, no person will be on yet. Now, Now so at the time when you go catch a net as a catch David, the man is so that the Solomon Emra. And Solomon's temple no was being built by a king. It's a wood never was a Maobera. If you find a year chrono. Say,
na empenim fo aduonu anan no me babro achire me se ade achie ade ase se wakoto fa
ade achie hunkra na wie ne enkoya nim
na tumi enko enhye se wo shrink
osofo lord ono si wono wate okoma enka oba nsrahwe
kata wani na
don't zigi ewi am the sofo be ma why
osono chen
onya wonsem mu a
onyina
and it try to be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. Maya Angelou try to be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. Who's a rainbow no to sa no a edin sakraye any design any pictures na ba wiem. Who is no wani age the too many people come at on yam as say so kra to na rainbow no twa as you show ni eba bejai Jesus Christ a typical example of rainbow when people hu Jesus na come at on yam classical example John chapter 5 ukikamba wase one mo osi no wura nka che Jesus say ensuo yi madam with 38 years yeah 38 years yo 38 plus 9 months 38 years 9 months madam mu experience wura yesu mu experience na mo ntia mintimi nika enko ne say obofo no be hunu nsuo no obofo no ba kope no oba afi Obana me yese me sori akwa no bi hwan se obi no eti on no nyobi try to be a rainbow bring deliverance and revival to your people Fani Jebra Fankran Shebra for Jebra mani pe hu omka se nya wan kamanidi na bia me boss me kasam kire me nkrofo no wakura na sia aka jom se owura na me ye na dwuma no apa sare minim ni bebre. But our time and our days have become a rainbow. In his clouds we are eating. Missy mo be moody cast a woundy. My survival. Try to be a rainbow in someone else's clouds. Yes, you catch a papa and say, I was on who the never papa to no kasa. Sometimes I kasa, sometimes I am moi, sometimes I am Syria, sometimes I am Cranshe. Okuga Methodist or say my topic is about smiling. Hallelujah. Chill be can na come Anthony yem. Uza matrasa me ka ela no bi ani age. Obi problem what done so me ka ela no. Ateko. So try but what say you be a rainbow to somebody. Obi ha on na man emu no. Opi on mo ani je beba. Opi on man koso beba. Opi on man nhira bi mra. Obi ka ka me say okuma mba eh. Obi nya so fa so da. Don't see your call a creature sorry second one no. You say enyo okuma nganka. Hanama for me hu da. Clearly obi so mo din ka say asemasi wenti. Minimum say. You be a rainbow in somebody else's clouds. What's a cloud? Are tum. As a queen be a name, a rainbow no pia kania ninti. May you be that rainbow. May I be that rainbow. May we be that rainbow. Emma okuna ni bi, emma yarefo bi, emma school ni bi, emma baba bi, emma apprentice bi. Traditional. No me and some upon smell you know. And then you walk. It's going to be a rainbow for us. Alright, John Peter. Oh, yes, Massa. Now who here?
Kwame Listowell.
Yes, sir.
The boy.
Original.
The 100-meter runner.
The
champion man. The afternoon.
Yee. Ebi owi ane dia obo hello na bibiasa.
Nyame shira.
Mani aji na. Mommy who here?
Oh, nyame adom.
O brother ba ko no. So do John Peter. And John Sam.
John Sam and Rosina Johnson.
Rosina Johnson.
And the papa de Johnson Francis.
Johnson Francis. My family na John. Yohane sir. Okay. Entino. Ene additional ye de fa ne hifa potin. Odaroma.
Ye bobo ekwapem. No ekwapem ye oman soronko e wo Ghana ha. Niama bebre si brana yere hihye Ghana na wore hihye Gold Coast no.
Okay.
Niama bebre si a ekropon me say ekwapem play a vital role.
Okay.
Senia ye fane say ne ebeye a yebenya Gold Coast. Senia Gold Coast by ne ye ya nyamesom eye Christianity e by ne ye ya education eye school e by ne ye ya wotro yen kasa first brana wo say wo be jai slave trade the role ekwapem play brana wo be say wo be
ekwapem ya
e be abolish slave trade, you know. It started here.
John Peter and our story.
And also started and you be do it na me be me call. And I think and also you be share the word. Obe see unim say hanom see fort wa.
Ti say na Usher Fort no na.
Say Usher Fort we see.
Ewa kwapem ha.
Ewa kwapem our friend Frederick Snowpel.
Eno ewa him.
We see fort no in 1789.
1789. And he see fort war.
And we see fort no. And the fort, because of Niama be a be discussing, you know, the fort no was only 4 years. After 4 years, you know, na no dear nim na was seen Paul Isett.
Paul
Edmund Isett.
Paul Edmund Isett. Okay. On we see fort no.
Ono na
dear nim like
we see fort no.
Okay.
But in some kakabi ono no be obewi. Wo mo be share, so I'm say after no onya Yan say governors 2 and 3.
Okay.
Wo be share so wonyina in sem kakra bi nti ma fort no fort.
Is okay akwapem asem.
Akwapem asem
fort no. Maintain da
we see nti
see wa infa
Professor Nkrumah a wonya ne ba bi ko. Professor Nkrumah ye ama oja odehye.
Ama oja akwapon ha ya
anti.
Well, the picture na okay. I'm saying next week and so me pese onya kwan na oba na get the pictures ni gugu so na.
That picture ya we Frederick Snowpel no.
Okay.
Professor Nkrumah na ere na ejina ne nchen no.
Okay, ne yiri obroni.
Ne yiri obroni. Ne yiri na a translated book na into Danish language.
Okay.
Something Dutch also. Into honor translating into English. Into one wokoye archaeology finding and one woko discover Bebiana Frederick Snowpel no one was a war between somewhere Acropone Latte.
Acropone Latte. Okay. And in another one more Acropone Latte and put them will be an fort no one. Mumba programs have a tray. Then said they are 2 you could you their custom. Good.
Into non then Ali Becca Ghana in Yamania be ni Shrebi away and soon to know. Amampania won't ba and head of states or by young man muhai. Okwapema munkwa wo basa 3 okwapema munkwa en fa fi brekusu kwapema prede na just head of state e wo gen man
you can say and then en fa say president 1 2 3
e wo yen man mi na wo hwe niam efi so a Ghana kakraka yi okwapema munkwa nya 3 no emma mi hu pefe ze enya nsi ye okwapema yebenya
head of state bi aka
is because ye di juma pabi and Sanyama na me pese
ye the film o say the fact drive na am for social education information entertainment entertainment ne nko okay do me say na fort wo ekwapem ha wache baby a
Frederick Snowpel
okay and wa wache mo esi ye no na den biu na ho biu yeah
so say minim say opese me dey start here na say yere boroboro ani so
amsa say ne wo so no ha
eka Frederick Snowpel no
yeah
so Frederick Snowpel ne ye ne say in the late 17th century and abrofo no ye say slavery no wo pese wo jai
okay
na slavery na wo pese wo jai no won state one reason say na wo hu nipa moboba me kan kakra no me adwen ne say unse onipa bibini ye the full representation of hope.
Okay.
What can say
black.
No, not like hope.
Hope.
What can you choose?
And that's one I say.
And that's so. Oshe race we are say obi anu race bi anu a ne ye mu wan say owo anidaso sin obibini. Nti bra na what do one call America, what do one call ye slavery na wo ye adwuma no. Antoro won ase o.
Okay.
Sambre ni nyina no ebibifo na won kwasom ase no. Woguso ware won ho ena na wo.
Okay.
Inti ebedu bibi no.
The black means hope.
Like I'm saying, the black man is a representation of hope.
Okay.
Oye ne den oru obesore ken. Like o de no ko hye baby kura edwo baby anye say nani je kura obe find a way to be happy.
This one it can link to the black star na wo your flag ni mo na.
Oh, so the black star na ye flag ni mo de. Em say enkroma adwin mu no. Ye ne say star yen sro ma ehire.
Okay.
And yen bibifo. Nti o person che say bibifo no yen ne ehire. You know, eno ne me me wo nti Samuel na wo pese wo jai slavery no.
Yeah.
Na it was because obibini na won a chire won into slavery na wo America no. Still na won wo ware anadwofa they are jumping ropes and wo ware won ho and wo bebre. Bibifo no. Nti ebedu bibi wo hu say no. Ebibifo na wo de won buy no their numbers are increasing. One numbers no erekosoro. But say won anhwe ne ye ne won ancheke a eba bedu biribi one numbers no be dosu bebiri asan abrofo na e wo ho no and they wouldn't be able to control them anymore. And no nema wo jai slavery.
Okay.
Not say wonya ehumobo bi because assassin na wo pese wo be ye adwuma wo assassin da ho adwuma na oguso ye. But then obibini no still na all slavery no wow 5 wow 6 wow 7 no we standing say woman ko ye adwuma den no still onya bre no ne ne yere on ne ma wodi won ho komo even no we standing here na continue na me say obibini is the representation of hope.
Okay.
Because for over 600-700 years won asi enkon so won agi yen ho ne ma nyina so still we have the faith say debi yen so emere dan ma yen we aba nti eno na ebma na wo pese wo jai slave trade no nti bra na wo pese wo jai slave trade I think it started with the Danish king.
Okay.
And that's how Danish for no so one Ghana with relation one
Denmark for
and Denmark for no one equipment so some relation into o ye ne say before him for no so guso tong ankoya or guso tong slaves no because what ba enye won no won nanto ko wuram ko kire nkrofo tong.
Okay.
Yen an yen
tong omnum baby
and say you start here at least you be who baby me flow afro yen an na tong yen homa abrofo no into wo ye ne say ene ma yemesi a bigger fort.
Okay.
Na yenye a bigger plantation. Inti say ye to slaves na yere fa won ko.
Ye ma go gu hono mo.
Ye de won be gu Ghana he ya. Na won aye adwuma wo plantation won aduadua nnobaya yen abrofo na ye ba ye betima ba be fa ko. Inti no ene ye ba na dize yen say ye kire won. Yen akekere won abo sheep so de won wo bedu ba bi kwa na ebiewu. Yere fa won fa sa nyanka de adeni mu biewu. But afi no ye be to won aba kropon ha Frederick Snowpel na won aba ba ye adwuma at least wo won freedom won ba na wo won krom and wo ye adwuma na obia ma metete won no nti that was the project na no that project na mo friend Paul Isaac.
Okay.
Paul Isaac ye na adam for pan na no bobi atiemu.
Okay.
Paul Isaac ni na no bobi atiemu ne call Anwona Santo kwa no nti Anwona Santo kwa no
ase be kan wasem da achi bi. Okay.
And so on ote ho no hui ni esi nti Paul Isaac no wo wi Anwona Sa no and no bobi atiemu invite no and ma Paul Isaac ba okwapema mu ha nti obeyo na no bobi atiemu adam for pa and no ye say you know kan no na nema mu ye den say ebeye say wonya asante ana wonya alo ana wonya akwamu a ese wonya obroni adamfo eninti na obehwe na enkranfo no nyina wo abrofo adamfo nti ubeko labadi Danish ubeko osu Dutch ubeko aha French because won na won ho nya den no ese wonya obroni adamfo ne ese ne say obroni be ne be ma otuo.
Okay.
Nti da asembe ba no otuo a obe defend won. But then akese fo no won na wo kire nketewa no tong nti won wo hia obroni adamfo Inti Asantes no one here abrofo adamfo. Akwamufo no one here abrofo adamfo. Unlawful no one here abrofo adamfo. But na Akuapemfo here abrofo adamfo. Because even after 1733 Ntokwa no, Ntokwa see wo Akuapem mu ha o.
Okay.
Inti debu a say what can say yene nanom na wo ye abotachi accord no. Sebi na nya say wonim nia na wo ye o.
Okay.
Because say wo hwe records mu a Ntokwa na njaya kopem say akataman so wo no okun wi.
Okay.
So after 1733
akataman so e be kan wasem da ache.
Good.
Dem man fo ntia say mesre owura John Peter say nka na wotwe bia omra ba ko. Ono so sere say yemfa nkọ bosomi bia ba ko ntino e be dwene ho.
Yo. Inti se kwa mama me fa inti me pese ye fiase fi senior Gold Coast.
Okay.
Ebai.
Okay.
You know, and answer na me no mama issues are disclaimer. Yes say Okuma radio tifo Okuma radio yesuade.
Yeah.
Inti no eyi ye nea sebe mansuma kokan ena mehu ena me beche madwen. Enye se American moyi ana American atiyi. Me who research in history no me interested in abrofo na ye say bibifo na ye say. Because me komu me hu say ye kan bi.
Okay, yankasa no.
Yankasa ye kan bi. You know, ye oniema bi say ye ne anye. Inti no ye kan bi ena ne ato ye egusu di.
Ene ne na mu no. Ashimolo wo osofo Ashimolo KICC. Sofo obu ku be bag mu kura sisi a. What is wrong being black? Na kan bi a me were ho. Ena pa ku bi osofo ba ku bi so also Zimbabwean.
Yeah.
Oka asem bi say say ne o kan say ye na pay ho sa na ye nya ho no. Omu too cool ewo Zimbabwe.
Okay.
Na afimu nyina no omu timi tu. Zimbabweans na to blacks na to afimu nyina omu $1 million. Sika no mbenya no. Ana mo trans na mo say David before na say before ntia ma abrofo no to 1 month $1 million.
Me say ohwe ena nkomo na be de ye kwa ye be sanga banti se me ko too much and now de maba.
Oh, no problem.
Ohwe ebibifo yen suban a ye de to sebi etime di anya ene ni abrofo no so wo ba na obe ya ma hwe mu ahu se bi wo ho a won me nka ne de ne afei.
Okay.
Because enye ni nyina na ye mfom so.
Okay.
Bi wo ha eye situation ene bra obeto mu no se ne ete no. Inti no wanye bisa, you know, you have a problem. Inti wo de mame mbuebu niama abiesa bi nchira also. Inti se yan issue disclaimer na wi. Inti se obi ati ase suade. We a wo ye gusu ye wo bibia opese obisa na opese okaka.
And na efi ase next one e beba no. Ye bet la na beto nti obi ho no na he na wabem. Yeah.
So yen fa ne say 1670. 1670 before 1670 no abrofo no ba ha ache another time ye be dinkomo how they got here.
Yeah.
So 1670 ohwe all abakosema all the written researcher na edem pefe say there were 3 kingdoms. Ewo young man mu ha. There were 3 kingdoms. Kingdoms no ye Akwamu. The Akwamu kingdom. Ye were the Anlo kingdom and as a Angonafo. And now you were the Ashanti kingdom.
Okay.
So from 1670s about 1900s when you Ashanti for no at least what they prepare call Seychelles and no now you were 3 major kingdoms.
Okay.
Now so 3 major kingdoms see one pet and another one what you do one saka abrofo no.
Okay.
One pen and abrofo no so one. One and what me exert one demands on the abrofo no. Inti mefa 111.
Okay.
Ba ko ya Akwamu.
Okay. Yanka ba ko penne.
Okay.
Na.
Okay. That's yeah too long. You bet me there.
David send mu ya me de no ye kan be braba. Esa me so kan me so me say. So nta wo ko preach na otimi bobo nsem bi so yourself wa bi o.
Na just Christianity de ne ya Christo so so ba na no woni bejan so the inti me benko inti Akwamu. Na ohwe Akwamufo na Akwamufo no kingdom no lasted for 100 years.
Okay.
For a whole century. Se ohwe Akwamufo asase a Akwamufo asase no ne efi efa Fante Confederation. Nti won asase no fiti Central Region.
Okay.
Efa nkran nyina efa Akuapem ha nyina efa Eastern Region nyina ekwa kopem Dahomey.
Okay.
na ni nyina ya akwamfo na asase.
Okay.
And na me pese me kire how great they were.
Okay.
No, in 1680 ena akwamfo no wobedi akuapemfo no so. Akuapemfo no se wo kire a Same no initial na me Paul Yesu no bi ante a.
Okay.
Na ebrew chiriponfo na ba first.
Okay.
Ebrew na Edson say what ba first 16 okay. No that was before 1680. Okay. Akwamfo na won wo be fa wo be di so no 1680 no. Nti ebrew buy no won nantu ko inside.
Okay.
Enti na like any chiriponfo no wo inside wo no. Ansa na guanfo no so buy. Latefo no be share na mampon ne wo nyina buy. So akwamfo no be do me Paul no so ano. And me Paul no so an a very easy place I would me launch one attack. Okay. Because na near na abrofo ne ba no if from the coast. Ahanom was a good stopover. Say wo pese wo konkran na wo pese wo call the coast na wo could do one juma bia na easy. So these were the thing. The first one they did was wo be fa me Paul so wo be jabo so. Into wo be ye enu wie no na wo market bi wo nkranfo wo market bi na se niama ne ba coastline ho a na wo beton wo market wo friend Ayawaso market. Okay. It was one of the famous market, Ayawaso market. So after the akwamfo no be je akuapem ha asase ne boss no and wo call Ayawaso market. And me kan de ba ko bra na akwamfo no wa no wo frɛ hanom enkoya apem 1,000 slaves.
Okay.
Enkoya apem ahana na
okay.
Nti wo pe obi akira ton na wo de agetu a ahana na wo kire ton. And mamingfa adeba kunsi achibio. Mira na before ansa na abrofo no ba na ye kɔ war. But na yen war no na enye chenchen de ne a wokum nipa bebre sa. It was when abrofo no introduce tuo. And be ma yen war no be ye rampant because tuo no na ye it was easy for people to win the battle. And abrofo no adeba kon awo ye ne say ansa na we ma won tuo no bi no. Won pa bibia wo ho pa niam bi. Either say we mo gold. Okay. Obema on ivory and as obema on nipa dasani
ivory ne osoro no ne ade white na e wona hwene mu no. Okay.
Gold na enye easy, gold unhu bi sa unhu bi je ukutu gold enye cheap. Ivory ni kra nzo na bi ni ho nti ni ana wo hia fi wo ho na se kochiro nipa ba ko bra se wo kochiro nipa ba ko ba onipa ba ko bia no em se we du ho am onipa ba ko bia no
we na say obeso ba bosumi bia no bosumi de obe ha adwen david
onipa ba ko bia wo ma otuo wo ma otuo anan wo ma gunpowder wo ma hwease ama a wo de brass na ye wo ma silk cloth bi wo ma dade nti wo sheda ma rough dade bi a wo de ye won sword ne ne ade no nti sa na ma say wo fo onipa ba ko oberema obia unya emse tuo ebien no wanyinya so all of them so for oberema oyare a o price tag wo ho yeah nti wo lebu. And funny enough the biggest investment I will betima ye within that time was to invest in human being. And no dey ti say na ene unya sika odokoto bank say insimu meda ho anase unya sika odokoto asase unim say asase de erin depreciate that de bia be kosoro no sana na unipa
o ma na wa my history na o say abonse na West African trade slave trade market na wo ho. Okay. O ma na wa my
okay. Make me go check on that one. Nti sana na amani nyako tuo no be ye the ways for them to win war easily. Nti akwamufo no first one wo be fair kwapom no jebo so and what to see baby na nkranfo no ye middlemen Ayawaso market no sa brofo wo de niam ne ba nkranfo na eton ma won nti akwamfo no koje se adwuma ne fai say after no say o kan history mu biewa in 1695 akwamu merchant bi no friend asemani say we kan wo say go Christian Borg Castle akwamfo no koje bo so wo lock and key meaning say some matter history ne da so you munche nti that was the first way Emma abrofo no opinko won achi because for wo be fair kwapem won aba be fa the market say won abrofo no dan nankasa wo dem no won abeji dan no won atu onyina afi apam onyina afi dan no nti obi a na wo ba be business at time no wo ba akwamfo no street akwamfo no je until Danish fo no tueska ansa na wo de won ki sama won okay nti sasem ni si no Samena no so na akwamufo no so no ye kwapemfo no nyado abebere na ye akuapemfo no nkwa na esofa umuze me say akwamfo no ba bia nkranfo no tini nya na ye akwamfo asase nti na akwamfo no na odi nkranfo no so
okay
so na akwamfo woni achemfo no na ebohye achemfo no no wontimi mfa won we ne won sensem nkoho because achemfo no no wo betimi no won akon ena fantefo no sa me so no wo fante confederation eno so wontimi mfa nkoho because won won beko asantefo no den won ya allies
okay
eno na efiso ema na no say tutu oba okuapemamu ha or colonials confirm no chekwai no
okay
because na we allies inti akwamfo no so no odi akuapemfo no nya bebre samiri ya na ekoso nyina no na akuapemfo no so hwehwe moya na wode agye won freedom se okan abakosema sa homa ya me we friend akuapem handbook watchro no 1968 eye okuapem hena no friend no nana ono throw forward no enema me gi book is okay nana kwan for read the second
okay
nana kwan for read the second say June 12 1968 and we launch a book yi won a watch book is you kukudam wo hwe Professor Kwame Napo owom Professor JS Nketia Professor Okuampo unti unze Ghana renowned professors na etros ahome ya mitimi enya ho kwan keka ho asem kaka
o se meti wodi amhwe
yo
ya we nyina ho
oh yeah Akuapem handbook bibia wo yen story bibia wo
ya brother ya be na wo se wo pese oba bosome bia
nti wo de mamemfa
ye okrai no o de gwi na me
mamemfa
yen kasa ye ye kasa off a year you go to the lunch and talk na fe yeah say sponsorship crowd to so have a sponsorship on this very show then we have time for all this
bibia for Okuma radio ni Okuma TF nti no ye de nyame mu ya betima ayesa
thank you
nti me kwakono nti na Akuapem fo no so na won so akwamfo no ye wonyadoa sa me no ohina owo ho ansa na ntokwa no ba no na wo frɛ no na ansa kwawo nze
okay
history bibre wokɔ na wobo na ansa sasreku na ansa sasreku owu ansa na Okuapem last ntokwa no ba 1730 ntokwa no na ansa kwa owu ansa na ntokwa no na ansa sasreku owu ansa na ntokwa no ba nti ne ne wo faso anom ne Otin Abransamadu
Jesus Obama kini ha
Otin Abransamadu ni Otin Ejare
okay
eni ye mrantie bien a abakosem no o chese wo ye Akuapemfo no nyadoa bebre se wo koto tuo no fi abrofo no ho ba na won a kire ida gwanfo na na chepomfo no mea no na won ayi won atade na won nufu no guso na wo de tuo no gu won nufu no mu se wo de test tuo no se wo de bo nipa bekum na
okay
nti eyi nyakayaka de na wo ye Akuapemfo no na ema Akuapemfo no so many occasions what try say wo be rebel na ya on say what try say wo be rebel a wontimi se won a wontimi na fe won increase punishment no ayakayaka de na wo ye won no wa ma top to notch nti na call so ya kopem 1728 nti 1728 no ohina na akwamhina na owo ho no no friend ansa kwawo
okay
is in 1728 no friend is ansa kwawo nti ansa kwawo we 1728 na ansa kwawo we no na ese ne wo fasoa wo friend amo na ese amo ne bedi nade na hu se me ka che o se in 1695 akwamufo no ko di okun bi wo Christian Bo Castle wotu abrofo no fi ho nti ebema akwamufo no nya a permanent stay in Accra na wo a regent wo otublom nti akwamufo no wo like to say akwamuhi no won kran
okay
but mbra na ansa kwa odi ade no o ma ne wo faase wa sa ne wo faase wa no e no kwaye akwamuhi no won kran okay nti edu se ne wo fa wi na se ono no bedi ade no afefiefu no se wo yempene wo wanya bibia dididawo nti yempene nti ema wode amono ne wo fa wo friends no amo wo faase wo friend akono nti wode akono di ade nti akono ade no di within that short time na no ye den nti saa time no say amono so onya akwamuhini no obedi nti there was the first civil war
okay
ene ma Akuapemfo no yetimi ni akwamufo no di ntoko a yewie won easy was akwam say ohwe the strength of the akwamu people a na ohwe mmere a yɛtimi di defeat wɔn na ɛsan ka yɛ suffer sense but then ohwɛ saa abakɔsɛn mu ya there was a civil war inti amono no oska because no o Accra sɛ abrɔfo no ba ɔno ne duma inti na amo oska inti amutua into brekuso eburi ɛni na ɛma eburifo a wɔgaze eburifo yɛ way forward na wɔn pɛ inti amo wɔn nyinaa na wɔyɛ rebels wow amutua wɔn nyinaa ka they all became rebels and they started the infighting in Kwapeman land and Sakura inti bra sa ntɔkwa no started CC no sa amono one expect say na Kwapemfo no so wɔn adwene deda
okay say afa ho adwene kra na ɛte
Kwapemfo na fa wɔn adwene a wɔn pɛ freedom okay ɛna amono ɔyɛ akwamuni no say ne akwamufo no mpɛ no nti amono de abɛhyɛ Kwapemfo no bi ase kutupa amona ahai nkranfo so woska wa hai nkranfo wa hai Kwapemfo wa hai achemfo bi se woni akwamfo no meko ono ɔyɛ akwam so se wo defeat akono a se na ono no obetimi aba so the civil war happened and now within that same time range and currently here me refinding ajimaya na currently na hono me kind din na me bo nti wono and was said no what the one call ochenhene ho wokoje ochenhene animadom and obai and obekwen na ne ameka kosia ne say nti the first kingdom amabonidin na wo ye local tribes no as the first kingdom akwamufo no na wo hwe local tribes na wo ase na Akuapemfo Nkranfo Korobofo even though na ye nyina ye bibifo no na wo ye won yakayaka de na wo ye won opol so ade wo mo ho yira won se won nti eno na force saa won amabonidin wo nyina ko obroni ho koka chiro obroni se ye pa ocha ye besomo but then my yentuo ne ye nuane nkoko ne yenkum no if you say woni ni nuane kra ni nuane ni ntie now merema history of ne ye abrofo no tumi enter into our fiber na ye say some of young black people they were fighting for them
okay yeah
na wo koma won okogina abrofo no achi ne woni abibifo no ko ne na ewo ma ne say saa abibifo no na woni abibifo na wo no won tie wona na woton won jetuo inti menyo obi no obi suba bebuam na meje me fa ho di a semeye inti eno ne the first one the first kingdom abrofo no inti the Akuapem ne akwamu ntokwa no nkranfo bebua yen krobofo bebua yen abrofo no ma yentuo ansa na yetimi ne akwamfo no dioko na yetimi defeat one so the formation of Ghana the first one was local tribes na wo akwamfo no ho na wo nya freedom no after ye Akuapem akwamu war no freedom by inti eno no the first bulk of won wo nya freedom in where are related to Akuapem
inti enano ye de besi ha no na waka say bosomi na obenya kwan aba we ne wakan bosomi mra no amanfo yere inti be se na wotwemi nu se dan yo na watimu aba
inti na ka enen na ye kan formation of Gold Coast and formation of Ghana ye pese ye hwe na ye wo 3 kingdoms sa kingdoms e bi sen wo nyina abrofo no defeat won no ene ma abrofo no timi be establish na wo bibi quickly ma menka bibi then be ma the next one be unse ansa na abrofo no beba no na ye ni bibia say Gold Coast na ye hu individuals inti no abrofo no coming no had an effect of we forming ourselves and calling ourselves Ghana and also one funny twister me sure say yegusu din komwen ebekwa kodu Kwame Nkrumah independence now and independence is the shortest possible time you be share the relation na say how ni nyina ati so me da wase na me da wati efunsu nyina ase pa say ene mutimi jemi na
ora John Peter na wote ne nka say okoma so no yetie Akuapem abakwasem ne Ghana abakwasem se ne kwan kwan fa so nyamsom nyina ba bibi mamu nyina no ene bibiti Ghana ha no break on ano or the betumi e de amaye sabre de ye de nwum esom na akogi adwade nkrato ye ba na de dwumade e de agyen wakoma e de kronson achi baba ora Peter e de wasepa
nyamisha ne tifu nyina
okuma ini ediani de kramuche
Nobody go feel love you like I do. Damn me dog with yeah. And they talk say you do me juju. The way I love you now. Nobody go feel love you like I do. Damn me dog with yeah. And they talk say you do me juju. That's whatever go happen there. Oh you man, me the wanna go. Oh you man, never go happen there. Oh you man, me the wanna go. Oh you man, give me my alumbo. Oh you man, me the wanna go. Oh you man, give me my alumbo. Oh you man, me the wanna go. Oh you man. Never show, make sure what I'm bringing out. Check it out, yo. And I go love you even though they hate you. My mom made don't even see you now. Check it out, yo. Them say you do me like mumu. I don't know what to not go do. I be your Scooby Doo sugar. Them say you do me like mumu. I don't know what to not go do. I be your Scooby Doo sugar. Never go happen there. Oh you man, me the wanna go. Oh you man, never go happen there. Oh you man, me the wanna go. Oh you man, give me my alumbo. Oh you man, me the wanna go. Oh you man, give me my alumbo. Oh you man, me the wanna go. Oh you man.
Say program no interest abem papa you rock what here anya me shira anything akwapim history ni akwapim history Ghana history no bese aba emu drama is abebu ni sane man nyina no when everything is got na kuma ho no a e be jare history ato David Abrebi me kwaye MC ewo ahunafo cross so I just can't the mass young why you fight and I'm a fast sister one church mama we also for me give sika Sima enayachi Sima nayachi no na kwa jadwe democrat I appreciate if you not him I not go take as me damu say DJ Donzin sa na fire ngum kakra no touch you Yasidano Emma of Lord of Lord and Union Bema John Peter and don't call me this is a machine where dear on what time no not me born me as one as on wako Fufu party ni subeba so fufu party ami aduma ojuada kwesi eda shoe fabric ani mu ha aye free free fufu no style bia ya tuaka me na meti fufu no omo de omo so medi bi da no na medi bi adechia enti me so de mo asrai me pese me bia ka watchma me nine no Peter ko ne ko trans ne ya pet team bi no topic bi dia ma ayi we no bad man so the text message never say the program number say mu wi ano na David oh I want you know say my girl yo I want to touch you say we can do anything for you girl I'm ready yo girl yo I want to touch you say we can do anything for you girl I'm ready yo Gawe namba sabasao, empulenu. Gawe namba sabasao. Let me hold you tight. Can't feel cool, I'm a light. Gonna love you better. My touch make you feel a little lighter. I no fake man a real. One your friend who say every little argument sees. None can bust up the seal. The whole love is blind. Just my heart can see. Girl yo, I want to touch you. Say we can do anything for you. Girl I'm ready yo. Girl yo, I want to touch you. Say we can do anything for you. Girl I'm ready yo. Empulenu. Gawe namba sabasao, empulenu.
I no born, I no vex. It be the things you they do and the works. Oh yeah. Like journey to the west. I would follow you, we do like us. Oh yeah. After you know one next. If you know be you, then nobody else. Oh yeah. Woman, I bring happiness. Everything that they do, no they under the rest. Oh yes. Girlie, I want to touch you, touch you. Say we can do anything for you. Girl, I'm ready, ready, Girlie, I want to touch you, touch you. Say me can do anything
Okuma
for you.
Radio,
Girl, I'm ready,
97.1.
Baba wala, you show me make I see. I want to find my waiting I go do for love. Cause the bad man never know what to do to get you. I want you to say my girlie, I want to touch you, touch you. Say make I do anything for you. Girl, I'm ready, ready, girlie, I want to touch you, touch you. Say make I do anything for you. Girl, I'm ready,
Say you can say Dominion Herbal Powder, Emma immune system, and then Quabo will nip a drum in the yedden. Then the senti, what I did, Yarosun Kunimua, and what dance be new.
I don't dare fine pa, Manumbi, Tina me do one dancing, and I say, me say
Dominion Herbal Powder, dear, Ninia, and yet a man for dancing, and a bacon fool. Near I yet a woman nip a diamono, a bro madring, and a mentias so, and my Dominion Herbal Powder, and Pawu de Biarada.
As someone at the honor, Dominion Herbal Powder, and once one you will sue a share will take up. Now that trick to us. Biagumu, what transit yanum. What we Angels Dominion Herbal Center, one cocoa and a diaba, a painful, a baton more monuful, and Quadawan in Fiedum Yadu one Kahun. Dodo Afre 054 315 8195.
FDA, Aji Egradian Kratui Atum.
OneXBet jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio. The yan is obe travel bets for sports game bia so. Now bet to me dinkuni. Register with onexbet.com.gh. Now use the promo code jackpots Ghana. Na travel bets. OneXBet ye kunim die ho safwa. OneXBet who say kunim difo. Gambling ho atru nti twane wa hwe ye. Nya ma wa wundi mfie duo. Gaming Commissioner Jinka to we atum.
Me pa nene de me adma miskin say Black Sports J Menimbos na me read den so aye basa we ja me areho ani adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of product ma glutathione no collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etiani na mani ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenhia wamma me read aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu.
Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. Enya cement ni blossom kunu waton. Ubomodia de wani choma share. Gubenya eya building equipment. Sambiro person do call site ahodo. Concrete product. Anafei. Omo supply abo anwea. Anafei bibi biara wo pe bia wo building site wo. Kaiser omo so dia into real estate development and so. It would dino person wo pe jan in tempa. Wo fra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wo bejo so. Fu ani chira obosoma sie kwapem. Amonochrome kwapem. Koforidia Asunjay Junction was Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 90 954. Book on social media handles in Ofla Construction Limited Company was Erekomo Kaisa we free delivery baby I will be and phone Yebekwa Jawan Tempara Senya Ofla dia and there you are not building Kayo Sa Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority.
Fufuo Festival. Jack for how you know to baby na yen copy pono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 ekwapim odurano for the first time Okuma Edi Fufu Festival no Edi bro okwapman nyina ebeye de style bia bi remember na kai say fufu no eye free ne ohia eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animu ha ekwapon ekwapim on the 1st of October 2023 ebere no eye anopa no watwe till you drop Bibiani na pese bia wonim panyimfo twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand na wankata do ton woni ma bia betimi nim panyimfo twetwe nkomo e wo 0559012454 0559012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufu bramini fufu style bia
Okuma ni ye piani ye kramuche.
Bunny Pandis. If you wanna give me trouble, boy, I swear you lie. If you know fit handle, please don't waste my time. I don't wanna be your side chick, I wanna be in charge. Need a man to hold me tight throughout the night. I'll drama hold me, Devin hold me, I'll drama hold me. Too much love from my heart, only you that I want to show. Your love they catch me like fever, and I'm getting cold. I done you run my yo. I do want mama yo. My home matia, my fakatia, the too many I come in qua. I done you run my yo. I do want mama yo. My home matia, my fakatia, the too many I come in qua. And no better coupe, my caliso say. But I don't even know what be the agenda. Oh, this is me. Oh, da me. Oh, da me, da me. Oh, this is me. Oh, da me. Oh, da me, me. And nobody could pay.
I never see another girl with fire. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
I never see anybody way fire like you. And baby got nobody fire like you. Girl, give me fire. Where your body mad, murder. Give me money, you don't want that cheddar. City pounds or dollar. I said I hold on, magna. Giving you a feeling on a dada. And the way you say my name make I mad. Feeling me deep, I never go lies. Come on, baby, you the baddest. Come on, baby, you the baddest. Everywhere you at. Looking for gas and attention. I say, show you where you're romantic. I never see another girl way fine like you. Body way there romantic. I never see anybody way fine like you. And maybe got nobody fine like you. Show you where you're romantic. I never see another girl way fine like you. Body way there romantic. I never see anybody way fine like you. And maybe got nobody fine like you.
Sexiness where you come from. Me hear say you come from London. Yeah. Let me give you one plan. You can call me tonight, make we buy band. And if possible, I go be Uber.
Forget the honey, I be sugar. I the fresh and go, I the nuga. Carry overload, why do that? You just say make man the craze. You be the reason I think people the end of the day. The chili, baby, break.
Up my radio.
From where you live. You just say make man the craze. You be the reason I think people the end of the day. The chili, baby, break. Look like a Solano from where you live.
Hey, success. Your body, the baby. This kind of body when they make I lose my mind when you pull the booty. Hey, lady, you are such a beauty. Head down, such a flex.
Ah, boy. Them the is about me, yeah. Them the is about you too. Them the talk about me, yeah. If your body they want you, I gotta play me I go higher, I gotta know that it's on fire, I gotta play me I go higher, they gonna do it higher. I gotta move with him, they go take fire, counting the paper, $10. Who got blessed, you know the chop baller, oh, chop baller. Beg no friend from no informer. Them go show you to God. Them the is about me, yeah. Them go is about you too. Them the talk about me, yeah. If your body they want you, I gotta play me I go higher, I gotta go let it on fire, I gotta play me I go higher. They gonna do it higher. Goodness and mercies shall follow me. So me no further no enemy. On top of blessings, me belly can't hungry. Above Italian color me. My table full up and I run over. My cup it a run over. I me sing pull up, me them mad over. Them no like say me take over. Them no just about me, yeah. Them no just about you too. Them no talk about me, yeah. If your body they want you, I go play me I go higher.
From you down. Right on me, I go feed them. I'm joking.
Station Radio Man Kenya or Common Radio 97.1. Or Common Radio.
Then a violence for the set, kill me, could show them badness. Big men with a cruise wagon. See a man go the foot wagon. Pick up the man, them shook one done. Jay giddy, I be jadon. Say killy. You know, see me dance them killy. We make the fans them feely, yeah. And I me vibe them feely. Say killy. You know, see me dance them killy. We make the fans them feely, and I me vibe them feely. We just a drop killy like popcorn, madman. Tell the DJ put it on a rewind and get to everybody love me slogan, Mr. Big Man. No land for the youth, Olan. Make me show them something. Say small boy, big God, yeah, me have something, no chat. Make them know this small boy talking young bass. Young lad, them can't show me nothing. This street show me love and me want to show them something. Me dance them strap out. Boss gonna make boy head drop down quick. Splash fire like a dragon. Inna them face them just a beg pardon. Say killy. You know see me dance them killy. We make the fans them feely, yeah. And I me vibe them feely. Say killy. You know see me dance them killy. We make the fans them feely, and we vibe them feely.
Hi. I come like a kite.
Station Radio Man Kenya or Common Radio 97.1.
Hi. Me come to them like some kakai. Hi. Satan Wale come like a guy. Forever and ever, I'll be a soldier. Forever and ever, I'll be a leader. Forever and ever, I'll be your teacher. Forever and ever, I'll be your father. Aye, call me your IGP. Salute to me anytime. Yes, I'm master. Call me Duncan Williams or Mensa Waterbill. Hallelujah. I don't go fit dog you, cause I know say I love you. I be your father. So we don't waste no time. Money we account every time. More dollar. In the world, Togo just get my shining quavo. Chuchu trouser. For a grandma, go lay I no longer do yeah, that border. So me I humble myself. Anyone me step man down to the earth.
Sata me see me big booty girl. So me scared I'm like,
Okuma Radio.
Hi. Shatta Wale I come like a kite. Hi. Shatta Wale come like a kite. Hi. Me come to them like some kite. Hi. Shatta Wale come like a kite. Forever and ever, I'll be a soldier. Forever and ever, I'll be a leader. Forever and ever, I'll be a teacher. Forever and ever, I'll be a father. Wale, mix up the coffee. Wale, oh na na,
97.1.
Stone boy, hear me tell them say continue to do your wine. Last, flex your body, my girl, no one can stop the shine. I see the do, I'm so, you know, do no crime. And whenever you hear this rhythm, you better waste no time. Waste no time, yo. You know we come from far, we don't watch nobody. Hey, bubble and went to the rhythm and dance every day. You know we come from far, we don't watch nobody. Hey, bubble and went to the rhythm and dance every day. Some say tell all the girls in all the world, say without them we can't enjoy earth. Them are the reason why we do it. We do some say big up the sexy one, them in a perk. Australia, perfect, the baba is a maniac. When it comes to the girl, it's scary. No tell me about another man, a woman, and me savior. I love to watch girl dance and wind them body. Oh, kill them with the dirty wine. Continue to do your wine. Flex your body, my girl, no one can stop your shine. I see the do, I'm so, you know, do no crime. And whenever you hear this rhythm, you better waste no time. Waste no time, yo. You know we come from far, we don't watch nobody. Hey, bubble and went to the rhythm and dance every day. You know we come from far, we don't watch nobody. Hey, bubble and went to the rhythm and dance every day. When you love the back, let me see. Turn it all up, empty that buckle of any oh Lord of mercy, the way you are going, you turn on the Almighty. Give me the opportunity. Front way, back way, let me enter the vicinity. Yeah, till eternity. Your bumper, I'ma shop the world and no girl can do it. I love to watch girl dance and wind them body. Oh, kill them with the dirty wine. Continue to do your wine. Flex your body, my girl, no one can stop the shine. I see the do, I'm so, you know, do no crime. And whenever you hear this rhythm, you better waste no time. Master with that money, play go.
Finally, oh, it's about to go down.
You know the money, no be problem.
Finally, oh, it's about to go down. We're not ready, oh, it's about to go down. Oh, my sexy lady, it's about to go down. For your Jones, okay. Balubenu, maya, 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 maya. For your Jones, okay. Balubenu, maya, maya. For your Jones, okay. Balubenu, maya, maya.
Okay, when you now come up about your crown, so what you pop out, so. Akasemanum.
My rice, say me them my baby mama.
No, boy, Pausima.
Till I met my,
you know. I like Jabiara.
tell me to bulu go be a me.
Honorable Dr. Odamia.
Me the office is in checking it.
And a professor.
Looking for new
emeritus.
no go like about the body.
Madame Peme Wasam.
She the princess.
Hey Brown.
You know
what I say?
Swag. Best nigga tell them
I didn't come on kakra. Once what didn't come on playing.
Cheme nya wo pe.
Na sabri di oh Professor Doctor.
Kona kwa je license.
Professor Doctor. Nana Safori. Incoming assemblyman. Obiape. Hello. Nana Safori. Hello. Ah, what me cho hello man here then. Hey, kono papa. Safori won't throw your desert chinam. Good idea, Gopon. And a Ziki Suma reply no. Ziki B, honorable one. Oh, it's about to go down. Lampardo is about to go down. Lampardo, hey. That's for fun. Minya Samuke. Fire. Minya Samuke.
My bench, she a bada.
Okay, Victor, here that could say. Good afternoon. You the blazer. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, what has no question to say? When you want to you fool. Ella. Ella. Akwasian San, good afternoon. Obapa Cuisine. Apina Mama. Mario. Victoria Street. Mama Ko. Auntie Nancy. Wafuni Urade. Abiginaro. Ziginada for no. Abiginaro. Mama Castro. The Dada Castro. Negative fire. Ofer Maxwell. Aditina. Odigro. Anna, and there was your for the more latte in January. And a zoom.
The gifted producer.
Kwame is a Nicholas Smith who are monograph and zoom tray. And the Kwame the alarm for Checha Muninara. Kwame Taylor, Auntie Nancy, Auntie Rahel, Bernice, Kwachi, Muninada. Ella. I don't know, Kwame, you know, is it enemy? I got you, yo. And Yakana, apostolic guess in Chia. Look at those you anyone, Yago. Apostolic guess. Ella. Now you film nothing of them. Young fans, you are the brush any. Of brush any. I'm here, you come on, you open the video. I'm in the open. Ready, boss it.
Now no intro, alpha figure here or the tingo. Wine for me not like a gypsy. Low. This your anthem, for the fluffy girl them. Two of them wine and bubble, make me love them.
I feel me girl fat and sexy.
Mampy. This a for the fluffy girl them.
Baby, I am the boss in Ghana, in London, everywhere. Oh, Jesus, my God. Hello.
America.
Come here, the Magajo say. Street in water, why does he answer them? I saw them going on the 8 inches in the Yamiasi. Hallelujah, when you're ready. I'll come back near the groom was watching Babako. Why are you? President Investment Country, we say, Padaroma, Odamiane, Gabriel Atrasi. No, Atrasi, the Nijanguto, and some Pankuto, no whatever. This anti Brown was say, no mountain thing. Enfield education studies, and 1 year and 2 years. And you MSc Financial Risk Management, MSc Environmental Health and Sanitation, MSc Natural Resource Management, MA International Development. Then you have interquest Ukraine International Development. No, bomb on them now soon. Never develop. I think that we are concerned. Amount. Unyakura President University. Campus no doors back where group work yapima. I chebi an eko buano. What's more than a bra? Now one chair day now so far in Jiman Shia day 0501 510034 and I face 0202 277 210 www.presidentuniversity.edu.gh. Sabri Adamia Gurimi.
Good evening.
How are you, Prince?
I'm fine.
Okay, you are fine.
Yes, please.
Is it in chemistry? Is it something is fine like polyethylene bag? Yeah, a system whereby you put the polyesters into the fire, so that you evaporate in the fire to make the softening of the destiny. Then they make an what say.
The boy wants an emission when him do you know.
Make an what say. Other way.
The boy me nyame
oh, what you know? Oh, chef, no, I say. Strike about come Argentina strike bina neni okra sexy eye bisano. Ayeyo. Omobo o wajai. Batistuta. Yo. Abo, ala Batistuta. Hey, Carol. Okay, me that to come hope here. And I say,
Nyame admodi.
Yeah.
Now we are a mistake.
Say that.
Thank God me mano.
Hina. Ziggy Taka say me yes from high from Kamaka natural. Ziggy, what can you say?
Do you know the man mano?
Yeah man. I DJ weather or the boss say Ella. No.
Where you call?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Madam ya. Me just also na me just braso.
The boy.
Nketwa de. Agofan nketwa de nyina hye ne nsa.
And then o can say sani oya sofo a can say street who say ni je wo street sing. You know, ebi ana Reverend Obofo. Onno ni ne dwene pe.
Yes be oboko akanya me say street mu na obeko.
Oh, say
mo ko bo asu ya mo fa street mu na sama ko bo asu mo so ko to aduan ya street mu na ba ko to no enti yeah enti ma yankwa
enti the boy
yeah man
enti yeah the Reverend Obofo ebefia say
okay
over the weekend no omo pa luxury apartment bi ho entama
danga just say
nipa bebre na akoye Ghanaian celebrities ni TikTok stars
madam ya celebrities mo comment as celebrity no more stars celebrities why the mama dokuru mo ne celebrities na mama dokuru rokoto
one na kind of original celebrities
okay
but
come here this
what's it
watch them
watch
celebrities no yeah
but
I just smart
yeah o hete kakra and so social media influencer na
TikToker
na we unya hype kakra na yama o celebrity status na enti no enti omu kopie mu okumase na chese omu ji omani omu ni no mu na emu bia na onipa ba ko omu hu no mu Ghana fo anti ase Reverend Obofo said enti na sofo tumi kopie ewo ewiasefo mu a chese okra microphone no chese ne ewiasefo ni
but na opreacher jefo
preacher nipa na but omu chese o tu sika wo ho na de wa na ehonom setting na ye no na ayete say ayet bibi ti say ni awakọ club
da me Bible say okoguro manfo ma ye se ne oguro man ye no
enti ana me pese me de anu ni fiase bia na wo sofo no enti wo ne no wo eyi a
just yeah they are sofo no nyina asore mane ya sofo na se sia na se atu afra yo no kwade okay
enti the boy ba ko no no a fi eyi ni mu ni na aye nkomo a chese omodwen o monti ase ba se ne awo kana na chese normal
atu afra se na nanu na to asase ma asore fo no
to
bi ba to awon ko
se sia obi ade no hu bajim obi ade no wajim
ka ye di come say I go can press before motor no
obi ade no wajim yenkwa
yenkwa
di
original
asofo no so omo ye men of God
yeah
into you God ni from be men
okay
into the men side no no mo ye no you do God side na no mo dey account I am men of God yes asofo aba omo ho ade ano no because na me buafu evangelist bi enti me buafu obi edidi me God mother atem ama me ra ho yie pa
na agrada
nya na agrada
okay
na agrada beba
di
in the pipeline
Her Excellency na agrada Aye, Nana Yabua I descended one so heavily.
Oh, my madam, Nana Yabua.
Aye.
Oh,
all the goodness so say I say say ye or ye bintino. Nibua fugidi where descended one so.
Alphabetical.
Aye. So what I said D.
QPJRSTY.
D.
It's Nana Yabua say. Agrada Ibiana.
Agrada sin Nana Yabua yebi.
Oh, Nana wasn't all your man. Remember, show cinema.
Every more they are naturally like that. Every more naturally sanomotie. Wow. Na bo pe mapa o. Ah. Na tie 70 bi o kan. Any her excellency was one say ah. Ma men kan cha say na agrada say. Nanse ya o video bi abeto abonten a. So wa she bikini o. Wa she yi o. Ai, you pan de chere social media for ne Ghana for no. Ai, I see the way out to amoy. Ai, sebe the way out to aye yi. Asa ni ambo we.
Kasa amoa wa ka teacher bi de me sa amoa.
Ai.
Nana ya bwa na si.
Nana ya bwa si amona we internet.
Okay.
Aha, ti ni bua fu gidi. Ai.
Asemo. Odame ya.
Na ya wa agrada asem so. Mami fa we nsuntum.
Okay.
Last week, 24th, 25th. Mami agrada ya kureya Reverend Dr. Evangelist.
Tangare.
Otri phone. Ono ne de no kan different. Nti otri phone. Na mami e de vim e ka che Ghana for say Reverend Owusu Bempa ewu. That boy want to one.
Yes. Oh. Asiwo.
Evangelist Dr. Nana Agrada.
Aye.
Some ka say akom. Untinya e fie jabade. Akom. Esi biso bia no kan kira o.
The boy, mami de chese say New York sifa kansem no be ka say eye no kre.
Yes.
Asa ni ogina honom na eyi no machine de pin ma doctor e claim say enso say na enye no kre.
Oh.
Ema ade chin ma eyi Reverend Owusu Bempa be ka say e be ka say hwenye no.
Yes.
Omuyi Owusu ti ase. Na enim say em ka obe kan no na nkasem na da. Ana Owusu Bempa na nkasa na Reverend de unso nyamesem ni nyamesro nti emisa nka oya eyibu nani eguso but asorefo no epese sia no police for che agrada because ni okan no enye no kre
omunya madika ka jemu se akom e won to de sa o
na unim se anu ayedidi nchini mekonso tumi ka se mani be
se
na obeka so obi ewu the boy say wo hwe video na ninsesine like why very you say ampase papa ne
and what they unse goda makache use Nana Agrada asem na mo beka no kwa me adi se no di bedi odo no fabu benku beka Agrada asan ka mo nka ku adon kopo yo Nana Agrada de se
Agrada do hu no kra
me say Nana Agrada uyi mampen uyi first lady a Nana Agrada na etoso her excellency ba ko pe ka evangelist for asemia evangelist ba ko bi nso ho nsem aba we mu yes evangelist bi akoye free show e wona asori dem mu
ni ode ninsa asori be ni na mi nkobi
evangelist bi
asori Ghana ha
oda me want to sign news
K Brown asori Ghana ha
Ghana ha sorry ya evangelist bi oye nyumtuni no be evangelist to say yi konfo be ye nyumtuni no so be ye yes na sorry dey nim che say Holy Ghost siama enu kwa ne Holy Ghost time mponsu ye yes nyumto na fa no na fa no na mama epeja ne saba akwa wiem no de asifo no epeja ne nan no peja ne nan na kpontu spololo no e kire drummers no
ne singer bi ye no
thank you
enemehu
no de kpontu spololo na kire drummers no
kana ka me so person ya acrobatics but na me say
oda me ase na ye Yesu onyama Yesu
na uni evangelist ko
Yesu onyama
uni evangelist ko evangelist Cecilia Mafo oh Auntie see. Cecilia for the this year they say omo de guso.
Onaina.
Ai, onaina.
Wacha.
Onaina no peja ye.
Onaina so no mas.
And 9 no pija.
What was it?
Me say organize ne budget sharp no on nam F side cry. Yes say. Na won hu no.
Listen, now no so no wo la she be ho.
Yes.
The hono ko yes ah.
Hono yes ah. Sorry dem wa. Sorry dan anim.
Okay. Asiana.
Dabi.
Okay. And jam ba.
Come on, radio 97. Okuma Radio. Station Radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Evangelist Cecilia Mafo Afumba na wako sebe anko obie no hu akira nsore ma no
enye sebe wabie
na o video no ho
ai me o video no
download na me fam go fie nko Bible studies
na o de be ye pa because I have phone so ase no pese o yesi bi
do me so je ona he na hwe
oh the boy camera de me betum fra mem na
na nye so she jeans mpo anya tra bi o se nye nika bi o se yes
anti ni ayo she
na tade no so etera ni ko todwe ka kra bi
oh abula ni Nyankopon na twa Kumasi dan okoto abani wie no wo fra odifu bi si ona o se o kan si abanu to no nipa bi be bracket be se se wo so oboya what's obuya? What's obuya? Na uni wa ya obuya obuya. Oh. So what's your friend? I say what friend? Na be siusu. Na so uni so for say Emia so for K Brown.
Yes.
So for can so me na me say. So what's obuya?
Until that.
Yesu mo.
Na so mo ye no kwa me edi so nkwa sorry no.
Kwame mabuye makina mo. Yeah.
Cecilia Mafo is serious. Because you're a gospel musician or an evangelist. Over Ghana, ha, wo bonedin says Cecilia Mafo Odin.
Yes.
A lot of people respect her. And I sorry no was saying
sorry.
You man now Holy Ghost fan and necessity for man.
Holy Ghost and fan no. Just say
what's your fan? What's your
fan? Me say you.
Ana necessity for. Ana na nchira so.
Me say na asem skills so. Say your demo skills so. Say dem skills fan and all the bass already
you. Trousers, and trousers.
On set trousers.
That I know I say you saw no you not that.
You not that shit.
Just an necessity for an uncle say free show.
Evangelist
o sha hu den. Odam ya hu den.
Once no Cecilia.
Odam say wa hu hwe. Kwame hu den. Eja.
Once son of age no kra na ade no ntino hu say.
Awobo.
Awobo ya kete.
Eye. Ye ba ti ada ma si o.
What's up? Oh watch it. Hello. Kakra na pe wona ina washapase owache hello
yan fast dama Ofla Construction Real Estate afi odamia ene K Brown ana afi Kwame Edi so what entertainment you are since and bre na ko video na ma be analysis a kire mo wonto mbu ase me hwe me nsu ahwe Ofla Construction se bomode na bra na aso ye wono mo eba iron rosa eba marine boards plywood blocks nkutu akase ni adantem se wodi tipper truck ma high enu achi no wadaroma general construction and real estate developing ni na no bada aso betun ya ma kama Ofla wa monochrome Ofla obosumase Ofla okoforidua 0552 957 198 and I face 0279 012 954. Offload Construction Real Estate, but your property are priority. This is Yeriko Yanim Kakrana Fe Yatimi Ayewedia. ANS Trading Agency Limited. Union Web Richie of Aniaman Fan Sendo, Brunia in Udradia, ANSC, Germany, London, Ghana, plus 233 2491 70423. And here Ghana, they know. And I feel a desert of Germany, plus 49173 77 and I feel West Croydon, plus 447908 027 527. ANS Trading Agency, door-to-door delivery day. What's up? Oh yeah, the papa. Court now want to me emwe wo. Sabri day ya so.
Okumaini, ye piani, ye kramuche.
Them say hustle for the paper. Small boy they hustle, then somebody want to let down. I didn't feel baby, so how we gon' make them? Kunyi maya, men send me you, eh, brabedi, and kani yahuda, yansi mobinya na diapa, obinya na diapa, eh, brabedi, and kani yahuda, yansi mobinya na diapa. Obinya na diapa. Na mubeke biya sewara. Na ube biya sewara. Na ubeke biya sewa. Sewa. Na ubeke biya sewara. Na ube biya sewara. Na ubeke biya sewa. I said they hustle to find money. Me he'll be all the time, Mechi. Me all the time, Annie. Yeah, G and me. Make you work hard for your paper. Before the undertaker, middle finger to the hater. Yeah, small time, maybe far. We dey get nothing, we dey find something while you hating. If you get bad mind, forget to decide, no faking. No be the big media, you go remain for call waiting. Yeah, bad, yes, why you say them say hustle for the paper. Small boy they hustle, then somebody want to let down. I didn't feel baby, so how we gon' make them? Kunyi maya, men send me you, eh, brabedi, and kani yahuda, yansi mobinya na diapa, obinya na diapa, eh, brabedi, and kani yahuda, yansi mobinya na diapa, obinya na diapa. Na ubeke biya sewara, na ube biya sewara, na ubeke biya sewa. Na ube biya sewara, na ube biya sewara, na ubeke biya sewa. Miss Legani, who know that fi say we are simple big and adiaka. Wano pass it, shabby na samu finya sabi ya mini binti na mashata. Me was a basis to can't fi say we are simple dia pona emata. Davida. Shake the claim say he love you so for my kick up and someone some inside.
On my radio.
I'm sorry do me and one by park a bing and a but I be that way where give it them fire, Peru, but I be sorry do me and one by park a bing and a but I be that way where give it them fire, Peru, now baby I sewa, 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 now baby I sewa. I know do you wrong. Go tell me why you they treat me bad, or why you they paint me black. I'm not perfect, but I try my best. Only God knows I'm a pain. Got my enemies to share.
On my radio.
Oh my eye. The The more people they hate on me, Nyamizurane kurame. Oh my God, The more people they hate on me, Nyamizurane kurame. Hey, rapid, and Kanye Yahuda,
I'm telling you, babe, low-key, honey, love me for the heart's sake. Oh please, right now I'm smoking, oh babe. The look in your eyes makes me feel cold in my heart. I cannot lose you, man. Oh please, I give my love, talking to you on my mind. Can't deny I'm in love, my heart is searching. Please don't tell me I know you wanna look in my eyes and show me where. I do think that I am bad. You don't want me, I'm not okay. Bad boy, want to know. Please just give me your attention. You don't want me, I'm not okay. Bad boy, want to know. You don't want me, I'm not okay. Bad boy, want to know. Please just give me your attention. You want me, I'm not okay. Bad boy, want to know. I'm here, crying more to get ideas. She knows I'm here, and I got to love for this girl. She made my tears dried from my eyes. So damn, I don't wanna waste time to make it my wife. Oh no, baby. Oh please, I give my love, talking to you on my mind. Can't deny I'm in love, my heart is aching. Please don't tell me I know you wanna look in my eyes and show me your way. You think that I am mad. You don't want me, I'm not okay. Bad boy, want to know. Please just give me your attention. You don't want me, I'm not okay. Bad boy, want to know. You think that I am mad. You don't want me, I'm not okay. Bad boy, want to know. All I do is keep it real and cool. What I cannot do, I no go do myself like I go feed do. No, I won't. I see you, you did do, I'm good. Go feed to kill you. All I know is if I did you, one thing, I'm not stopping. I'm not flopping, crazy bang is dropping. Running, I'm not walking. I'm not joking. Feeling the vibe cause I love my life. They claim they love you back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. If you never know, don't worry, now you know. Feeling the vibe cause I love my life. They claim they love you back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. Feeling the vibe cause I love my life. They claim they love you back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. If you never know, don't worry, now you know. Feeling the vibe cause I love my life. They claim they love you back to the low. Stabbing your back, they won't see you in pain. Look, I dey live my life on low-key. I got you God, me, I know they don't leave. Show me way, make you know they choke me. Oh please, low-key, make you know they get your eye if you know me. If I fall, I beg, don't laugh me. I got you God, me, I know they don't leave. Show me, hey. One thing, I'm not stopping. I'm not flopping, crazy bang is dropping. Running, I'm walking, I'm not joking. Feeling the vibe aside of my life. They claim they love you back to me. Stabbing your back, they want to see you. Don't worry, now you know. Feeling the vibe aside of my life. They claim they love you back to me. Stabbing your back, they want to see you. Feeling the vibe aside of my life. They claim they love you back to me. Stabbing your back, they want to see you in pain. If you never know, don't worry now.
Nicki Minaj, can't give me love, give me your body. Butter my bread, sugar my tea, give me your cocoa. Ain't nobody touching you, when they try it, they touching you. Everybody crushing you, but I'm wanting to marry you.
I know this guy is not that, you know say I be complete, man, yeah. Now you're matter, you there for my mind, inside, yeah. Now me water, baby give me something nice, yeah. Guy I'm matter, girl I love your body,
like baby. The woman so nice and her skin so clean. She calling my love like a sweet sister. Over and over, she can do my thing. Yeah. She's so in love with me. It's a blessing that I found a queen. And she doesn't care if I'm poor or rich. I give her my love till eternity. Oh no no no, can I promise I will be there for you? Oh no no no, if you ever leave I go hunting for you. My queen, kiss you first thing in the morning. For me, baby never treat you funny. Oh,
carry another, you know say I be complete. Now your mother, it for my mind inside. Now me water, baby give me something nice. Carry a matter, girl I love your body. Carry another, you know say I be complete man. Now your mother, it for my mind inside. Now me water, baby give me something nice. Carry a matter, girl I love your body.
Okuma Radio.
I'm at a point in life, if you understand me or not, misunderstand me or not, me, I'm okay. I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want, me, I'm okay. I'm okay. Cause who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? I dey love my life, get my peace of mind, I dey try survive. We all be sinners, my body, nobody holy bad. And my happiness comes first, I never come life to stress, yeah. I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass the doctor. I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass the doctor. I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass the doctor. I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass the doctor. I don't care for stunting, I only care for money. I never care for perfect, as long as I'm happy. See me, I know for sure they know me. Young boy, but I know G. 6 years, no be small thing. And since I entered the game, fatality. All the troubled days, sleepless nights, things I see, inside life. I think I Charlie the things I see. No, they live to impress nobody. They love my thing, don't forget me. So when you forget me, oh no. Oh no, cause who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? I dey love my life, get my peace of mind, I dey try survive. We all be sinners, my body, nobody holy bad. And my happiness comes first, I never come life to stress, yeah. I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass the doctor. I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass the doctor.
Young Connie one by one day, bed 2 by 2 it's Mr. Young Connie one by one day, bed 2 by 2 Sister Mary, Adia, we are me there, I'm in bo. Me de makoma so adia manko. Me se ma kia minti unko.
DJ Donzi,
our life
doing it. More fire, kill it. What's it doing? Don't mind your wife. Thank you very much. Inchiamo. Achinameko rounds. Mabaima uye. Risk Destiny. Montreng. Fufu party no nyame ya do beba so. On the 1st of October 2023, a free. Shoe fabric animu. Agropo ku apem 1st of October. Okuma radio. Nipa 1000. Yelmo fufu. Brani nidi o, brani nidi. Fufu o. Fufu. Fufu. Fufu stay baby. 1st of October 2023. Okuma radio 97.1. Yelmo fufu team. What else? No controversy. No more doubt. I was meeting the Peter Adrinyako. Nice one. I said, come on, papa. Urokore. Uragidio. Montren. Ella. Uzarin chebia bango je ayedi nkrato ye krato no ye ba pe ni mebu amato funatum everything je I didn't be 1+1 you lead it over me I didn't tell you say it over you you see me I don't go let you go Obaba kupe wana washe na wono oyire sebe ma anwubi o demo oyire ba aware ase no okura abofra ba akon we ya hustle for your body there it be only alapai washe abofra ya abofra university abofra kwa adwuma ba adakore a o se wa hu ni papa ni papa no ohwe na nkasa no any stepfather no ore ma papa yi 150,000 no enkan na 1.5 billion na wakwane papa ho ma minise enye hwe papa nti ase na onye na bofra ne nkwane papa ho papa ni se so ni papa ne na ewo nti e okwa obenya mfaso ni bi em de sebe mini babia papa enye 1.5 billion no na bofra ne nko ne papa nkasa ho enye papa so na ehwe no stepfather ni se ompene to tompene no ya ni mo frasia bapim se owie university no konya adwuma ye no ka obon ho nyina no eye 9 billion ontri asasika no na afi obabi kwa obetumi akọ oni papa yi adwene ana oni ne nya adwene abofra ko for 9 billion waye wonya 1.5 papa yi so mu na onko sara na se den quick credit and investment and micro credit limited the open abosia now the chiauka open abosia and they share adwuma mu a but I want to say na one more papa architect quick credit say baba abosia 1500 they call it was so kona kwa jebie na fatre wadwuma mu emergency loan working capital loan existing business loan Ghana card pe na wohia unya Ghana card na wafre quick credit for abekọ mo ya dodo wosia yi abema obi 0302 200 390 0302 200 390 0596 920 833 quick credit and investment micro credit limited lending made simple papa is on pay 1.5 billion open 9 billion DJ Bombe Panana Gali Patek Gali Kami Fane Baba Mamia Wase Wapese Wakosha Kempis Wase Kawa Bon Hunyina Anu ya 9 billion Yonko Pen 9 Nimra Nafi Wapese Okwa Onko Papa Yisu Niba Dabu Frey Nko Ana Onye Sikano Eti no nimba pa usime numa asem yi erisi ne kosoa Papa niba na mo ne yire ereba ware aso de abofra ba akobai. Papa ya abofra ya ma abofra no awie university anya adwuma ye. Okwa adwuma ba da Korea. O se wa hu ne papa. Enti ne stepfather no inye 1.5 billion na okwa ne papa ho. Ne ma me ankasa se oh je 1.5 billion de bi wo mu je. Papa ne so ya adwen we say no. Fini mu frase ya bepem so benya adwuma ye no. Ba bo no ka 9 billion. Okwa famra. Wa futu ni say afutu oduma papa ne dem. Afutu be so oduma abofra no. No nu mo ba wo manu mu a. CK Asari Ventures me kan je wo say. Anya dengara. Ba nu mu nsu. Anya dengara. Ba nu mu drink. Say can drink. And a rubber one EB. Soft drink. Alcoholic beverages in Nara. We are door engagement wedding a party. But I want to say oh, a man fear a Apostolic Church, a Christ Apostolic Church. I saw that Papa or man fear soft drink, alcoholic beverages, bottled water, and I feel canned drinks. To be never your party, for your wedding, no. I never can carry the amount. Home of affordability, dear. Now you're 0246 524 746 0246 524 746 and I feel 0203 96 57 7574 0203 96 75 74. Ella. Ella. Architect. Sami Oma. Mabaima. Ella. Lambi.
Although you belong division, you go so fast get. No division, never shall watch it. Who's the limit? Yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah. Although you belong division, you go so fast get. No division, never shall watch it. Who's the limit? Yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Ebusia, who pesa wo kra ne mefre brochure e de bagana na. Ene efe ho asem bedom ANS. Wo 20 ana 40 footer container no. Ana eye left hand drive cars ena wo pesa wo tono amanone. Emfa ho ba bi free bia. UK, Europe, USA, China, ana Asia. Se wo de bagana be bia ye de bebrel. Ebi na mposo ene wiemu hyemu ntino. Eba ne ntem dia, woni how kra. Ye door to door delivery ne nso de. Na wotwe bia ye kra ne mefre UK ene Europe. Between 3 to 4 weeks na lande yembo no nso de boko sawo eba custom nhihye yenso a yetimi ma wa kwantre na ebia na wo de wo paso kakra bi na wo pen tentem de ayade 3 to 4 days ne ye de bro hihye ANS for akira kwan ne wo Europe a wotimi frɛ ye Germany line no e wo +491 737 712 733 Ghana 0249 170 423 na UK so +44 790 80 27 527 ANS Trading Agency Limited yedemu fua
tontonte yenum nsane efa adwen ne efa adwen mpa say na nanu nim se bre bi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho denden tonti na 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kam kama enti baabi a wonam bia wobetimi de wade akọ samene wo a ankefi na ekroyi ɛda no nkɔ na wie ya wabra mennom T74 sɛ mennom tonti na 74 a menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi ɛyɛ hahama ɛne yɛde ayɛ na DHC ɛna aframa na yɛ kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apɔmuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baabi eto nnuro bia wobenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi ɛnyɛ ma ɔba a wafa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufoɔ ana sɛ obi a onya mfie dumienu ɛto phone frɛ 050-162-8931 ɛna 0246-073-498 FDA agye adwadie nkratoɔ yi atom.
You know, one bucket of Flamingo paint is equal to several other paint brands on the market. Flamingo paint, a papa chain paint, bia. Flamingo paint, superior hiding. Flamingo paint, superior coverage. Flamingo paint, superior durability. Flamingo paint, simply superior.
Fufuo festival. Jack for how many now to baby na yen copy pono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 ekwapim odrano for the first time Okuma Edi Fufuo festival no Edi bro okwapman nyina ebeye de style bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free ne ohia eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animu ha ekwapim on the 1st of October 2023 ebrano eye anopa no watwe till you drop Bibiani na pese bia woni mpanyfo twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand na wankata do ton woni ma bia betimi ni mpanyfo twetwe nkomo e wo 0559012454 0559012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bramieni fufuo style bia
Okumaini ye kramuche 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio.
Yeah. Oh, na na na. Skate. Oh my God. This girl song. Skate. African girl, give me loving. Can't have me a buy like you're something. Yeah. We see real cause I ne kumi. Show me, can't have me, baby. Inge kakwe moko. Make you do your thing, don't watch nobody. Kakwe moko. Inge kakwe moko. Make you do your thing, don't watch nobody. Kakwe moko. Baby, do your thing, yeah. My baby, you rock my body. You see a moon now, top run, I'm in chair, my baby. My baby, oh baby, give me, oh baby, come you, baby, you go kill me, kill me. I love you, skate back, skate. Baby, do your thing, yeah. Kakwe moko. Make you do your thing, don't watch nobody. Kakwe moko. Kakwe moko. Make you do your thing, don't watch nobody. Kakwe moko. Inti evi amame shaku, akosi amame sanku, ajo amame kupe, ozanku kupe shaku. Inti evi amame shaku, evi amame sanku. Nana mama me coupe, oh coupe, abina coupe. Sikili tetelelele, on him mazi yobaka.
We are blazing.
Give me, ube come you, baby, you go kill me.
0551 667755 0551 667755. Wait me do I in China ba? Ella. Minoye, Benuye. Auntie Dora, Sister Doris. Mabaimia. Odikro Motimidimu Adjunchano Ede Abba 0551 667755 0551 667755. Mamiri kwa awari aseno no kura bofraba ako eyo berema. What's your baby? No kwasem. Ana ne kunu ya nhyɛ danso ya nwubi. Eti papa ifa abofra ise ne ba. Wa hwa abofra ya the university. Da kura abofra pon adwuma oba okura sika. Adenga meja. Mehu sɛ nyim papa no. Enti wa bomodin ahwɛ me ama wie school. Anya adwuma ye. Kura me sɛ 150,000 ene enkang no 1.5 billion. Akura je. And say me kom papa o mehu papa. Enti me kɔ ne nkyɛn. Abofra ne na meka sem bi o se oye 1.5 di eye. Papa ne se abofra kɔ na agya nkyɛn abonya so mfaso o. Me de manya oba bia Martin. Se meje dia onye no 900,000 Ghana cedis. 9 billion. On the side dia meje na agya asundwe Papa nye sika yi. Wafutu ne den. Afutu ade abofra ne den. Nyade papa no so ene den. 0551 667755 0551 667755.
Goni munyadi na obianti na wenye Jesu. Anyoshe momi ya wani mukwaka toni biano. Kanisa wenya galebi ana wachi abranti ebia. Na jombo ebi ana jonge ebia beseno. Eno sanu wanwasem kaya dimba.
Yemfasi dem bi ma Dominion Herbal powder and Dominion Herbal ointment. Se powder wunya bi na no betumi aboya o.
Jombo ebi
ana roma stroke. And as a diabetes, high blood pressure. Yari bi a osa ensa. Franco yare. Wunya Dominion Herbal powder na no ma ebeko. Afi wo sisi na ya wachi. Onsa etutu say green. Wunya Dominion Herbal powder, Dominion Herbal ointment. Na de twutwu a. Wunya to kra you. Obi aba homa no so. Madam Roma yenkwa ne nchen. Ella.
Hello, also.
Master Negati.
Yeah. Watch me in terms.
Oh yeah.
Na me adu me wuye papa.
Madam Roma yenkwa.
Kakra metina kan say. Se oba kra wo no kra mpodo. Won hwe ne hwe ase. On show. If say wo hwe ne se na be na ono be kwa akobɔ ne bra ne be siniye. Nti se ma hwe akudu be bi na so wehu agya na kakra wi a obenya de abra me no. Be so mu sa na wakɔ agya ne nkyɛn. Nje bi se eno mo wuye. Enye se obebɔ ka bi se ka bi se ma me ansana. Wakɔ wehu agya de a na ya obabai na wakɔ asundie mu. Kakra wi a obenya ma me so mu sa me so se eno mo wuye.
Anyi papa ni so 1.5 billion ni mu.
O so mu aman hwe kwa onya no nko ne agya ne nkyɛn.
Oni ba bia o ba bi o.
Ne amfra na ye no waya de nti o so muta.
Okay.
Ni je di sensa na ni mu ni.
Okay. Yo, ye beda wasi papa nyamisha. Masa de kiti nyamisha pa.
Ya da me chiama mama chia no mami.
Amama yo. Obi aba homa no so me da wasi.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Adeshi beni.
Adeshi edunfu.
Makura mfum.
Ja.
Akuma ni o.
Okura banana.
Na me hu oba bi na na mu wantimant me anfra makura fa cheme.
Afieja.
Yo, akura de mpanyinsam na abanti eje mpanyin dwene wadawro ma yenkwa makura.
Ya oni atena se. Oya abanoma anyesa.
Ba show you.
Yo. Eja no hwe no na nhye bibia na ma me na kwaware no de ne pai. Se o te ase.
Yo.
Nti no na kwaware no de na ba na blanto wa na wehu ni eja na ya man. Eja obi a kire ne papa. Nti orukọ na eja nchen. Na odi another danase anasolment wehu na eja. Nti odene roko. Nti anko ne de wa ne fremode. Nti ejani ni biribi biara ore kesi. Sesa kwa bi sene ati bia no meje se ansa so ne ne hwehwe ne anan se meyan na meje sika bi wa ne nkyɛn de ya ti abrante wa no ne wahu ne agya na ya ama na ore danase ti anya mfumusu bi ya agya ne nyine saa yo
ndi agya ne nye sika ne wahu
yo onye sika na saa ta contract bi ya nim wana hwehwe bi bi ala ebo ya
Madawasi akura. Hello. Adishibeni. Ina, latte.
Yo.
Into yeti.
Bali.
Yo, nana, yanko.
Me na papa na ka meso scared musa.
So bede.
Meso scared musa.
Adenti.
Sir, anya obi a na ba wi aso be we. Na wode obi aba aware. Na say o se we hu ne papa. Na record, no say we hu ne awaya mana. Enti je we a. E sha o so musa.
Okay. La te fumi da mase. Mufra munyu mafiri no. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Lampi.
The boy.
Hey, original.
Ba ko pe.
Mangasa uni.
Yo,
Mati. My enquire.
Now what's the support to Chelsea?
Bajo you.
And I'm more 10 World League in the sea. That's yes, I'm with 14.
Blaster or African Cup Angola. Obi and Shadow Cup no way in you. Why?
It's the issue.
Yo,
and I support the team. I said the years too.
And I mean support to you, support the Safari.
Them support Chelsea.
Yo, Matt. Lampi.
The boy.
Yo, my uncle.
The boy.
Yes, sir.
But I come in this career and come in uncle.
Yes, Kaviao.
I come in this career and come in uncle.
Okay.
You also know the mouth. I was so per se. And see, I bet the castle in I didn't come with the was your own papa, the audience, and I'm going out the mount to pop now the port. Yeah, make it out.
1.5 and 1.
Oh, make it out to pop. Make it out to pop.
Okay.
It is Sabu, my car, so much rose there. The Bushamashu, and then Wakus walk over painting when we scan a walk. It's none of the goose, make it out to say, no walk, and then I make my
Lampi.
The boy.
That was the power. So the Obahano, suffering my intention job about why.
I show from 100 times, never 100 times. The boy. Hello.
He knew.
Yo, hi, Didi. Latte.
Hey, incoming assembly member.
Yo.
Hi, Gigi.
You.
That remember, sir. How many team members now? Why?
Some more money and I'm best running. When you get super.
Yeah, Papa, come here, D. Mankasa, Ziggy, Donzi, Odama, Nejao, Chama, Mayweather, won't be rich. Why?
Mumbra, and I'm money.
Yo, my uncle Adaroma.
You, me imagine any say, Mia. Jamaica and the Senka, Tikana, Akolano, when you are doing all this cabita about in Kajan Genesa, if you say, a bit to me say, Abayama, if you actually crano, over Sana, Akolano cry and Cashin chair, a jano, now a granny echo. Into the wire no Yamesa dinner, wire no Akolano sooner or Bedima, in a way to me, I did this, into one Genesa, and Yami Beshana. A bone Nidia and Yankopon, a plan of him. Omen dress all you be in your day and channel. And to me, my dream.
Yo, hi, Gigi.
Yo,
Latafuni won't be power and chow and edge about to do on your man. Why?
Yo. Even Mr. Oche, a driver for me, pray fans are almost mamma and church, a mammy crank, Edodo, and I kind of for Michiao, Mamma Brand and Fua, and also her. Michiao, Mayre so mint ninja, Medinchian so man. Miss Rowan, say one more dia, and I'm when you see I do when I'm making me abwa a kind of fool. It will be out about a kind of no, more dia not for mammy, Madam.
Yati, why? That was it.
You, Mr. Das.
Ella. Okay. When to me and you 0551 667755. Master Negati, also Chiani Mami, Amama, Mincha, Alima. Ella. Ella.
Hello.
Now, when you're in this year, go fufu. Ah, 1st October. Oh, I true fabric anymore. One day.
Have you?
Animal catcher. In any.
I wouldn't even the back where I can do the wooden good fufu.
I send the best out on the
now, Okajo only punish Obija will come out.
Okay, I am. Martin. Chairman, now we. Hey. Yo. Chairman, Pajo,
I'm going fast with the new of our fast from the days of yesterday.
I offer a change. And I saw my Mekurankasa and who of us in our casa.
The mamma, the young you do it.
Ah, okay. Now, Chairman, oh,
and then running.
Okay.
And then is when ya, look at it. A baby young, I'm not getting not when ya, nature say, Sebby. Now, why I say, better say, agreement to be one on in Jama or wait a idea why I'm when you're going on Lucia Nipa.
Okay. Chairman, I am passing. Okay. Chairman, I am passing who of an we are changing.
Papa.
And the what you brew now of an notice so many.
Oh, Dumasi.
Oh, Crobodumasi. We are changing MPP, we are changing.
Papa.
And now NDC.
It to me, I said Peter Lajetin in the background as you will do.
Okay, me more into the sending now. But I was maybe Jaw Corner so. The chow in Dennis Munina. Ella.
Hello.
Hineni. Okumanio.
Okrapmano.
Zakos kaza viva.
La tetra time.
Hey, my uncle.
Yo, may I see asare my phone. Omo ba fufuro say a. Omo nu da. Ye na tuma mu wie na omo tra sope. Na omo ye 419.
Mate.
Na ewu omo kura bio.
Mate.
Ana akola na sam so awo kan no. Ayami amene papa na ga magi sika no because ebi okwa ogohun papa na mabio. Eti mene papa na ga magi sika no.
Okay. It's a good weather as why.
Yo.
I am Monka Haji Jeans so why?
Yo.
Me ba lati mo mamu so me ba why?
Ya tu mo bia.
Oh. Hello. Akumani o. Baka to kwa mano anofi pe. Akumani.
Mano.
Adeshi be ni.
Adese mama Kosumi.
Mama Kosumi bajo ka se fi nfa.
Me fresh ye kropon.
Ah mama Kosumi. What's the nfa?
Se na kwan so.
Wow. Master bu won.
Debi.
Okay. Si na kwan so. My enkwe.
What tra kwa mi tila ho kakra me.
Okay, kwa mi tila. Okay. Yo. My enkwe.
Ni ameka ne se. Papa no wa ya ade. Na on the scan onje no be mani bia onje mama ni bi kra o ma ne nko. Na ya mi hu ni se tila boy no o father love ma papa we ni sen ne papa ko no ore ko ne ho no. Nti one de o ma ne nko e bi kro be ko na ne papa ko no kro on sheda anye papa di sa ma na o no be sa baba.
Okay. Star coach.
O ma ne re ho yo.
What kasema awose kura gumisen to bro. Jesus, yo.
Hey, the one who is wa.
Do we say?
Any better booking, so be home.
Bacho you, me da wase pa.
Yo, bye.
Donzi. Chairman no friend no. Ni wo fankasa ni owura bu ache jako. IMPP fukoto abeya INSMP. Na ne maame na achiba. Ono so ni chairman okre NDC chairman ayete. Dennis Papa Chairman Numre Mamichia. Adakwa Steven also watching you live from Tamale. This is Chef. Greetings to you, Mr. Dakon. Thank you, Chef. Honorable Beyonce, please. My greetings to Ziggy. Tell him I miss him from Chef. I miss him from Chef. Ziggy, Chef we say say obutu Tamale. Otie na wa papa Chef. Yes, yeah, that was it. Afi shout out Kasifi Korenchen Eko Enkoma Baona Osunkrase Ba Papa ne ebusianfo amo old education okropon akuapem icham papa say uti okuma papa eti ba yide na meba ho testing officer na be test na say dey atumani mu no nyame yaduma 1st of October Ojuada Sunday Okumang Radio 97.1 yele bufufu ama nipa 1000 free anopa no wotwe pepepe na twadi na hyase atwe makompese fufu ni besa bright trouble areba abrama areba John my wife just say won fufu akrapon ha nyina da fufu ni classic Obapa cuisine just say obia areba okwadu kromo so a mami owo so menya kwanso we pere de oba ba ku oye pork yi prekunam yi oba ba ku bi so ensumnam oba sada ne de mesa no pa the mesa Saturday ne Friday na me yam ada ho anti odwura fufu festival Okumang Radio 97.1 obi amra sada no anopa shoe fabric anim wa yewura Santu Bro Factory njem wa makura Santu miamu of Santu awode Ella Ibrahim ene agent na fa baby yi ene Bro Factory njem wa na jumadi ne ebekoso Ella watching you live from Osambrom Osofo Opare Clement Osofo praise the Lord Ella okay went to me and you so I didn't grab them I freeze your man edum
Onye nijia bedi mechi nyenga Azabra jeme ya babu wa mene bawa wenisa Ene dance bi
Ella Osofo Opare Ella Inani
Hey the boy
Ella
Osano what they say secret
Inani
Yo meso eko mampong
Kasola
the boy
kwa mi edit me kan just na ponje ne nsan kan why
masa Munti memba na mumba me ende
akura che wadwe ne yankwa kaso
the boy
che wadwe kaso
yo asemu wede no kwai ni ma bokade ma hwew but enya fi what wo hwe okura ba what te wontama nya fi pache no onu na eti da kuma mu no si papa gi efi na go no de ama odia je now there shidano no ye dey onko bone bra yo the boy
kasola fufuri ye wani mo
fufuri me ba na mum also Sunday ya on the 3rd September Global Stopover ye boss on ne bypass no wo hwe Methodist Junction wo say sport bu okwan no bypass
yo ma sorry Junction wo
very good aye kwemo actually
oh
yeah new road no so no
Sunday you won
Sunday at 7 o'clock and you be on the dot all black
oh Marty
all black yeah boss until the day drop
I have frame why
only problem because me here papa
me das me badodo
Hello yo obi ba true
akuma ni o me ba akuma ni o
grab menu
o this be ni
grab mano
o froze dey
everyone is supposed to Korea.
Okay.
Yo.
Sina wa.
Obi be true at the two on tamma. Ebi na abofra na yem. Besa.
Oh.
Hello.
I'm with you. Yeah.
The time my papa I had the worry idea ni papa about this year. I had the so there. Also papa no on the star. On the star on it.
Okay.
On it.
Sakosi bada was. Hello. Hina ni nyama ni ana. Bajo ina ni o. Ina latte. Oh, ina na mi say nyama. Ina.
Mr. Billy, you be very.
Okay.
Mr. Riti. I can't say a taxi driver. Besides Mandela, watching our latte.
Okay.
Besides Linda.
Papa ya okura kai. Hello. Papa ya okura Prague Paddy Prague rider Michiao. Oya de do.
Hey sister girl. Mr. Girl Vivo, hey sister Viana.
Ma cross am from Michiao. Mama Oseche.
Unsa obina body she has.
Me lick me cool. Oh. Tipsy. Afe Minchia.
Ya do ya one.
So for atiemo. Royal Jansi. Hey, pa kwesi AJ. Ella. Kwesi AJ all the way from London. Kwesi mengu mani AJ do. Ella.
Hello.
Ofe ma so ni.
Osofo pa ni.
Oh, osofo Ella.
Hello.
Pa kwesi AJ wo London. O si chia mu nyina.
Ye jenu so.
Okay. Osofo. Chewa dwene yankwe.
Yo, mene papa na nka meshira abofra no. Minje ne hwe meshira no. Kuse kama so onko.
Enye se wakoyo Osofo ntina o ka sei.
Oh, that be. Nka minje because kama bono ho no. Because meja ebe boro sa 9 billion.
Okay.
Na ye menya no eni su ade. Intinu se wahu ni papa onko.
Osofo.
Papa,
wa nyame su ade wahu.
Yo.
9 billion de unye.
Minje hwe.
Yo atasi su aba o abebregu.
Enya hwe, enye npanyina ne babewe.
Yo. Me da wase. Osofo opare ni.
Papa.
Now what's the graduation here on the 9th?
Me pa cho you.
Asem. Evergreen. Wow.
Evergreen, yeah, Evergreen.
Mo be wo.
Ebe wo Presby,
Ebru Presby anim wa. Adana private schools mu nya mo graduation da kuri, Yo, Mate.
Ene me binti ne ma yi ko hon.
Mate. Say we want to ada nya ne ma bia e amane. Why?
Me da wase. The boy
original. Ella. Progress here just big ups D-boy. I love the convo or command to the world. Okay. Progress, which will love you, Papa Panamo. I mean, pounds actually. There, man, 20 pounds. Why? Ella. Abrewa ohun ya ode ohun tere.
Oh, yeah, Japan, you also.
You know,
Papa.
We have one year old, Papa. Oh, 2 year old.
I'm meeting them and him on him.
That was it. Hello. Okay, say Gumasuma, na Masuma, I am to say, I can't go miss. I'll come and you.
Grab a man.
You, Papa, say, yes, which I'm in Hawaii. Yo. Chawajin young Quamina.
Papa said, Sonny, Papa, and you'll be an obey as him obey. And this Obi Bamba who ran our shena. No one who knew Papa. I was so awkward. Obey to me so beko.
Okay.
Awkward, I say, Uma Wenigi. So wash on no wire fe. One who knew Papa and Papa so any age. It made me and come in Yenefe.
Oh, Yenefe. Mino, but that was it. Now, Fufuru, are you ready?
African Memphis school mabafi.
On the 1st of October, Ojada Presidano. Yeah, both of one or part war. A shoe fabric anymore. You would have sent two baby blog in Chemwa. Why?
Hey,
are you free?
Mate,
Nipa 1,000 for why?
Mate.
You best sound dodo. Hello. Sinyama, senifu na ira, ebe Jessica, ya kutobi amano. Hello. Ajay. Siti bro. Abena akbene sedega. Viki. Yeah. Pa kwasi ajay se ochia Ghana funi abusia funi na ochia komangso. Hello. Hineni.
Papa Boatin.
Papa, Akra Boatin. Na Apostle. Apostle Kojai.
Yes.
Na men karon fa man wo.
Why busy ka krenti un kan obeti?
Mate. Akra fa dwontre bra na enkwe.
Major. They will say Mojemu a true thing in suit.
Okay.
Si wa muneja kwa nese soko. Nchese ujan kwa nse na omano koneja ho.
Okay.
Ni washiri nyina omenka.
Ni washiri nyina omenka.
Nyankopon na ohyire ni pano. Obihira no. Osi wo obidi ya na wo so liye
Okay.
Intom.
Yo. Micha asukafo ni nyina why?
Mati meja.
Ndawase pa. Ogiredi ye teri muti se ba fa ne fam. 0551677755 if for free for back pe ba ko twa to pa kwasi eje o say ella that's a big ups D-boy. I love the convo. Come into the world and I feel also for Clement say ella watching you live from Osan Broom and I feel Adakwa Steven I say watching you from Tamale and I feel in Chaka Senkoma Ziggy. Yes, I. Yere bua bua ho. Ye ko fa news no. Dominion eba part of the wase. Eh na trade agency. Osu dem wase. Quick credit for them wase. CK Asari Ventures. Them wase afla construction. President University Ghana. And afi yin atie fu papa mo fra nyinara. Parliament Sport. Christy bro. Mama friend Pama, Martin one crown. Mama Caro. Christy Flowers. Christy bro. J. Christy bro. Mama Castro. Ube kume. Chairman IT, one who can fall. Jump up. Abra, what's the chairman? Say, Majago Kono. They did. Mario. Samioma. Oppo Lampard. Or a blue. Opposite Moshaf. A Japaye. Afe Kwamasu Otritre or Boom Adenya Konko. Safaro. Ajay, one demand of Rico, one chene mame, one demand of Rico, Ajay, one chene mame, ya pompo, akosia kotoje, Christy bro, Champira, thank you very much for passing through. Nemo Munsha. Program for Frokwang, Wakomangso, and a drama womb, history womb, Nyom womb, come on. I do a damn, answer with our say. K Brown, Mayweather, DJ Donzi. And I know when you marry, who was your one thing? So I guess this year, oh baby, I'm probably go baby. My man, you call this so, when you come on goodness so. I said, obey, you're fine, obey. Odifu Mary, Ambassadors of Salvation, Mama, me da wasi pi nyame nhyira wo. So Bible can say so for jena kenkan. Nhyira wo pa. Ye wura pocho.
Every other man, I do other man, every other man, I do other man, Christy bro, Christy bro, Christy bra, Christy bro, Christy bro, Christy bra, Christy bro, Christy bro, Christy bra, Christy bro, Christy.
During the program can say, here's a program yewura Samin funa ni jehu pa yo kuma tankase no. Di akra yi de. Areba bi o. Sanso na we say asida kase nkoma mo program kase reba. History. Efo kwa ma ho abakwa sem ne ade. Fe ye de quiz ahoro. Writing and essay competition na the bremo. Back to back. Okay, history na language ni nyina no. Program no be bremo.
Me gonna be no me got to mama and no say me say me bano okokwe.
Pam David Aguba was a nice one. What the man David? Yamisha Papa, nice one for listening to us. Thank you very much. David.
Christy bro.
Alima.
Christy bro.
Alima Wache.
Christy bro.
The blue man, the blue gate. Kobe the barber.
Bro, Christy bro.
Tipsy. Adria Bon say, Munina. Okay, Sabrade. No kwasem. Me didn't come here. I come telephone you. I'm ranting. D-boy, reach the power one. You nyamu po semuti okumang. You went shidamo. Nteni mchidamo. Ochina. You said the HNM. Oye eye news na. Yede eye nkabo ebe ebre emo. Now desperando. Gracias. Bye bye.
Eye krojin will be for bibia emfam fremu. Entito fuel no hokwa momo womoje any form of electronic payment bia no wombeje na womo atumi atutu niam ama. Menim se wo no aduane na wutie enti unya Remy spices ni bia enye bad kora. Spices nyina mu champion no. Ene na ewo Remy jollof, Remy eye chicken, Remy good.
Akoma Radio 97.1